Hey guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here, and you have to do the first thing. You have to go to your chat section here and just go to the any of the DM. Let's say I will select this one, and you have to click on the camera icon which is on bottom left side corner, right? And after that you have just go to the photos, and here you have to select the photo, right? So if I just want to select this photo, and here I want to add music, so you have to just click on this icon, and after that you have to search music on the search bar, and this is it. And after that you have to select the music here, right? So I will select any of the music here. Let's say this music, okay, and I will just select it and I will click on the done, and I will just place it here, and you have to download it, right? So guys, you have to repeat this process with each and every photo, right? And after that you have to just click on the plus icon, and after that you have to just go to the post, and here you have to select the multiple. Let's say I will select this one and select multiple and the other, right? And after that just click on the arrow button which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to do the same thing, and just make sure that this music icon is turned on, right? And after you have to click again here, and in this way you can upload music to multiple photos, right? And this is pretty easy, and I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.